When I was 15, my parents brought me on vacation to this area of the United States. We spent a couple of weeks driving around in an RV, and one of the states we spent the most time in was Utah. While we're here, we went to Capitol Reef National Park. Now, I don't remember a whole lot about the national park itself, but one thing that I do recall is seeing a road going off into the distance that looked really cool. And it had a little sign next to it that said 4-wheel drive only, and I really wanted to go down it. And I asked my dad, and obviously since we're in an RV, the answer was no. But now I'm not in an RV, I'm in a 4-wheel drive vehicle, and we are going to go back to Capitol Reef National Park, and I'm going to drive that road, and I'm pretty excited. Ready for pictures?
And I said, what would you do if you could lose all your burdens? Yeah. And I said, my words are few, but I love you. Those words, please hear them. Yeah.
We are in Fish Lake National Forest, and we're just airing down. We've got about 60 miles of unpaved road from here through Capitol Reef and then up north to close to the interstate, where we're going to cut across to Moab. that was it. After all those years, I finally did it, and what a trail. That was a lot of fun. I really recommend it if you come up this way. It was challenging enough to be fun, but not too difficult that we couldn't get through. I'm really glad we got to do it, and I'm really glad we didn't take the RV down there.
Every time I'm thinking we did the best thing, we come across something else, and it's like, wow.
I know.
I can't wait for Moab.
This state just keeps getting better and better.
That's what Marlene was saying. She was like, so underrated. You hear about Colorado, California, but Utah, how long is it to Moab?
I don't know.
A couple hours? Hour?
I don't know. Having a clue.
I haven't had service since like this morning, dude. It's like,
I don't think we have time to do any more off-road, otherwise we wouldn't be airing up right now.
Yeah, true.
So right now we're airing up and we are gonna head to Moab, and hopefully we get there before the sun sets because I need to find somewhere to camp. Our route had taken us from Fish Lake National Forest to Capitol Reef. I thought it'd be fairly quick. Someone on Facebook had told me that they'd driven their Corolla down the road that we took. That's something I no longer believe. I had planned on taking the unpaved roads through Cathedral Valley, but instead we took the highway towards Moab. That was until I saw a road labeled Missile Base, and something marked Abandoned Launch Complex. On the way to Moab, the sun was setting, so I thought I'd try out camping a little further north, and I came across the Athena Launch Complex on Overland. So this is old nuclear weapon silo behind me. And from here, there's a killer sunset. Look at that. I am completely alone up here. Andres continued on to Moab, and I'm going to be completely honest, after walking around here alone, it is giving me the creeps, so I'm going to go on to Moab as well. Outside of Moab are thousands of free BLM campsites, so I looked for a nice remote spot. What I found seemed cool, until someone else rolled in nearby. If you come camping on BLM land, in fact if you just go camping anywhere, Don't be that person. You can't quite make it out on the camera, but they're blasting bassy music. Not cool.